Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us prepare a diet lunch combo fenugreek leaves roti and mushroom fry. 2 rotis and half a cup of mushroom fry is around 269 calories. First we are going to see how to prepare mushroom fry. For the mushroom fry, take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add 2 finely chopped garlic cloves and a quarter cup of chopped onions. Saute everything well. We have to saute this until the onions turns translucent. Once onions turns translucent, you can add the mushrooms. This is 200 grams of mushroom which is already cleaned and chopped. Don't add any water, the mushroom itself will leave some water. Add the required amount of salt. To this add half teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of oregano and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Let us saute this well. We are going to saute this until all the moisture gets evaporated. Here you can see that there is no excess water. At this stage you can add some chopped coriander leaves, around a quarter cup. So here the mushroom fry is ready. Let us transfer this into another bowl. Next, let us see how to prepare fenugreek leaves roti. Take a cup of wheat flour. Add the required amount of salt. To this add 2 tablespoons of dried fenugreek leaves. If you have the fresh one, you can add that instead. Start adding water. You have to knead this into a soft dough. Finally, your dough has to be like this. Make small balls out of this. The ball should be approximately of this size. Dust some flour and roll them. You have to roll this much thin. This is ready to be cooked now. Let us transfer this into a hot tawa. Don't add any oil. You are going to make this oilless. Once it is half cooked, take a cloth and press it like this. This will help the roti to cook evenly. So here our methi roti or fenugreek leaves roti is ready. For the lunch we are going to have 2 fenugreek leaves roti and half a cup of mushroom fry. These 2 rotis are approximately 80 grams and it contains 6.4 grams of proteins, 0.9 grams of fats, 35.7 grams of carbohydrates and 5.8 grams of fiber. Half a cup of mushroom fry has 3.4 grams of proteins, 5.8 grams of fats, 4.9 grams of carbohydrates and 1.2 grams of fiber. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.